Hello everyone, welcome to Cyproses. In today's video, we're going to discuss about cash on delivery in Odoo 19. So let's dive into the sales module and let's move on to the configurations, settings, and under the delivery method, we can now manage the cash on delivery. So here you can find the delivery methods and the shipping methods. So as you just move on to the shipping methods, here you can see that the different shipping methods that are available. So I have created a shipping method called cash on delivery. So let's search for it. So here you can find the delivery method. As you just create a delivery method, now we have the option to add the cash on delivery. So this would allow the customers to choose cash on delivery as a payment method. So once it's given, here we also just need to provide the delivery product, which is cash on delivery, which means we can say that it's a COD. Now let's move on to the orders and let's choose a quotation and click on new in order to create a new quotation where you can fill out the details of the customer and the product. So under the order lines here you can see that you can just add the item. I'm going to add the item as Equistic block screen. You can choose the variant and click on confirm to add the item to the order lines. Once it's done, the next step is that we just need to confirm the quotation so that the quotation will be moving to the sale order. Now, here we have the option to add the shipping. As you just click on the add shipping, you will be getting a wizard to add the shipping method. Under shipping method, we can choose the cash on delivery. So as you just choose the cash on delivery over here, you can see that as we just deliver the item, the customer has to just make a delivery payment of 40 over here. Now let's click on add so that this item will be added to the order lines. Now here you can see that the total amount will be shown over there and we just need to deliver the item to the customer. So let's click on validate in order to deliver the item to the customer. So this is how we just choose cash on delivery in Odoo 19 and that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybroses. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.